السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طلبة وطالبات الصف الثالث الإعدادي مع ريفيجن جديدة من الجيومتري ريفيجنز. إن شاء الله هنعمل solving لموديل 2 من كتاب المدرسة. Choose the correct answer from those given. 2 sin 30 10 60. 2 sin 30 2 sin 30 means 2 times sin 30 half times cosine 60 10 60 root 3. 2 sin 30 half 10 60 root 3. Cancel it 2 with 2, so the result will be root 3. The equation of the straight line which passes through the point negative 2, negative 3 and parallel to x-axis. أي لاين parallel x axis الإيكويشن بتاعته y equal number. اللاين بيمر بالبوينت دي والواي بتاعتها بنيجاتيف 3، so y equal negative 3. y equal negative 3 ده straight line parallel to x axis. Cosine x equal root 3 over 2. So sin 2x. Shift cosine root 3 over 2. X will be 30 degree. X equals 30 degree. We have sin 2x. Sin 2 times 30. Sin 60. Sin 60 equal root 3 over 2. A circle of center at the origin point and its radius length 2 length unit. Which of the following points belong to the circle? We have a circle. Its central origin point 0 0. The radius from the origin point to the circle MA. We can test this point 1 or negative 2 from 0 0. Square root number 4. If we test the point 1 or negative 2 to find the distance MA. MA equals square root 1 minus 0 all power 2, 1 minus 0 all power 2 plus negative 2 minus 0 all power 2. The result will be root 5. So this point doesn't belong to the circle, and so on. But if we test this point root 3 1 to find the distance MA, square root 3 minus 0 all to the power 3 all to the power 2 plus 1 minus 0 all to the power 2 equals 2. So the radius is 2 units. So the points which belong to the circle is root 3 and 1. Test this point. If you complete the test, doesn't belong. The perpendicular distance between the two lines x minus 2 equals 0 و x plus 3 equal 0. X equal to, this is the line parallel to y axis. X equal negative 3, another line parallel to x axis. The distance between them 2 plus 3, because the distance is not negative, absolute negative 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5 units. Number 6. Negative 3 over 2 and 6 over k are the slopes of two parallel lines. Then k, the conditional parallel m1 equal m2. Negative 3 over 2 equals 6 over k. Cross multiplication 12 divided negative 3, k will be equal negative 4. Number 2. A. If cosine E tan 30 equal cosine square 45, find the measure angle E, and E is an acute angle. Cosine E times tan 30 root 3 over 3 equals cosine square 45 cosine 45 root 2 over 2 all to the power 2. It will be 2 over 4. 2 over 4 it means a half. Root 2 over 2 all to the power 2 equal half. Cosine E equals half divided root 3 over 2 over 3. Half divided by root 3 over 3. It means root 3 over 2. Shift cosine root 3 over 2, measure angle E equal 30 degree. Number B, show the type of the triangle vertices AOBC due to the side lenses. We must find the three distance AB equals square root 3 minus 1 all to the power 2. 3 minus 1 all to the power 2 plus 3 minus 5 all to the power 2. We get 3 minus 1 2 power 2 4, 3 minus 5 negative 2 power 2 4 plus 4 8 2 root 2. BC square root this B and this C 1 minus 1 all to the power 2 plus 5 minus 3 all to the power 2. Distance between 2 points equal square root x2 minus x1 power 2 plus y2 minus y1 power 2 equals 0. 5 minus 3 2 power 2 4 equal 2 units. The last distance AC equals square root A with T 3 minus 1 all to the power 2 plus 3 minus 3 all to the power 2. It will be 2. Therefore BC equal AC. Therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. B, if البوينت B31 midpoint للline segment is midpoint of 1y and x3, find the point xy. We can draw line segment. Let it AB. C المidpoint 3 1 is midpoint. التيرمينال point A1y. التيرمينال point the other terminal point x3. We can find 1 plus x over 2 equal 3. 1 plus x over 2 equal 3. x1 plus x2 over 2 equal x اللي في الميد cross multiplication 3 times 2 6 minus 1 x equal 5. Similarly y plus 3 over 2 y plus 3 over 2 equals 1. Y plus 3 over 2 equals 1. Cross multiplication 1 times 2 2 minus 3 negative 1 y equal negative 1. يبقى البوينت x و y دي اللي هي 5 and negative 1. For A, find the equation of the straight line which intercepts the two axes, two positive parts of lengths 1 and 4 for x and y respectively. Find its slope. So the line cuts from x-axis one part. It means it passes through by the point 1 and 0. because in x-axis y is 0, and cuts from y-axis 4 units, so it passes by 3 and 0 and 4. We must find the slope. To find the equation, we must find the slope. M equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 1 equal negative 4. Since the line passes through by the point 0, 4, so the intercepted part from axis 4, and it is given in the problem. The intercepted part from axis 4. C equal 4. Since the equation y equal mx plus c, therefore y equals m negative 4, negative 4x plus c equal 4. This is the equation of the straight line, and its slope is negative 4. B. ABC is the right triangle at B. AC 10, BC 8. Prove that sine square A plus 1 equal 2 cosine square C plus cosine square A. We have a right angle triangle at B. The hypotenuse AC equal 10 cm. The side BC equal 8. First, we must find the AB by using Pythagoras theorem. Measure B equal 90. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. AB equals square root 10 power 2 minus 8 power 2. It will be 6 centimeters. So this side is 6. The left hand side equal sine square A plus 1. Sine A from the triangle, the opposite over the hypotenuse, 8 over 10 square, cosine square, plus 1. Divided to 4, divided to 5, so it will be 16 over 25 plus 1, it will be 41 over 25. This is number 1. The right hand side RHS equals 2 cosine square C plus cosine square A. 2 cosine C from the drawing, from the graph, from the triangle, cosine C 8 over 10 all to the power 2 plus cosine square A, cosine A 6 over 10 all to the power 2. You can use the calculator. The result will be 41 over 25. From 1 and 2, therefore the left hand side equal the right hand side. A. The straight line, prove that the straight line which passes through the point negative 1 and 3 and the point 2 and 4 is parallel to the straight line whose equation 3y minus x minus 1 equals 0. We must find the m1, the slope of the first line, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 3 over x2, 2 minus minus 1 plus 1, it will be 1 over 3. M2, if we have equation like this, the slope negative coefficient x over coefficient y, negative coefficient x negative 1 over coefficient y 3, it will be 1 over 3. Since in the M1 equal M2, therefore the two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. B. ABCD trapezium, AD parallel to BC, measure angle B equal 90, AB3, BC6, AD2. We have trapezium like this. you have a right trapezium. A, B, C, D. AD parallel to BC, measure angle be 90, so A will be 90 because there are two interior angles between two parallel lines, some of them 180. BC 6 centimeter, AB 3 centimeter, AD 2 centimeter. Find the length of DC, this leg. Find the length of DC and the value of cosine DCB. First we find the DC. Draw DX, this X. Draw DX perpendicular to BC. Therefore, figure AB XD is a rectangle. Therefore, DX equal AB equals 3 centimeter. Therefore, CX from the rectangle ABCD, BX will be 2 centimeter equal AD. Therefore, CX 6 minus 2 equals 4 centimeter. This side is 4. Since in triangle DCX measure angle X equal 90. Measure angle X equal 90. Therefore, CD square root 4 square plus 3 square, 4 square plus 3 square, CD will be equal 5 centimeter. We want to find the cosine angle DCB, this angle C. Cosine number 2, cosine angle DCB. The cosine equal adjacent over hypotenuse. This hypotenuse is 5 equal 4 over 5. بشكركم لحسن المتابعة وأرجو أنكم تكونوا استفدتوا وبذكركم بالاشتراك في القناة إن شاء الله يوصلكم كل جديد من عندنا بإذن الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.